Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will solve question number 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 from exercise 13.2 chapter 13 exponents and powers. In question simplify and express in exponential form as we have done question number 1 to 6 in our last class, and now we will do the remaining sums. See 2 to the power 0 into 3 to the power 0 into 4 to the power 0. And you know that anything to the any number, any base to the power 0 is 1, and 1 into 1, as we know anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So 1 into 1 means 1. Similarly, come to the next sum. In this sum, 3 to the power 0, question number 8, 3 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 0 inside the bracket into 5 to the power 0. So we are also 1, 3 to the power 0 is equal to 1 plus 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1 into 5 to the power 0 is equal to 1. The same reason a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Any base to the power 0 will be 1. Now inside the bracket 1 plus 1, 2 into 1, that is 2 is the answer here. Now come to the next sum. In question number 9, 2 to the power 8 into 5 to the power a to the power 5 divided by 4 cube into a cube, 4 to the power 3 into a to the power 3. First of all the numbers are not in prime factors, only 4 is not in prime factors. So you have to convert it into prime factors. So 2 to the power 8 into a to the power 5, 4 means 2 square and cube was outside. 2 into 2 means 4, 4 cube, to the power 3, 4 to the power 3 into a to the power 3. Now what we can get here, 2 to the power 8 into a to the power 5 by 2 to the power 2 into 3, 6 into a to the power 3. Reason is power of power, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. So 2 into 3, 6. Now they are in division condition. So 2 to the power 8 minus 6 into a to the power 5 minus 3. The law you are using here, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Now 2 to the power 2, 8 minus 6, 2 into a to the power 2. So what we can write it, both have same power, so you can write 2a whole to the power 2. You can write 2a whole to the power 2. Okay. Question number 10, a to the power 5 by a to the power 3 inside the bracket into a to the power 8. Use the laws of exponents. They are in division condition, so a to the power 5 minus 3 into a to the power 8. Now a to the power 5 minus 3 means 2 into a to the power 8. They are in into condition, bases are same, so a to the power 2 plus 8 a to the power 10. Laws we have used here. You have to write the laws here. Here a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Here a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. These two laws we have used here. Now come to the next sum, question number 11. Now question number 11, 4 to the power 5 into a to the power 8 b to the power 3 divided by a to the power 5 into a to the power 5, 4 to the power 5 into a to the power 5 into b to the power 2. Now you can see that all are in the division condition, though these two numbers are not in their prime numbers, but both are same. So we can start our 5 minus 5 into a to the power 8 minus 5 into b to the power 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 8 minus 5, 5 minus 5. All are in division condition, so you will subtract only. Now 4 to the power 0 into a to the power 3 into b, 3 minus 1, 1. So what you can see that 1 into a cube into b, that means a to the power 3, b is the answer. You have used some law also. So what laws you are using here? A to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n. Same only, division sign I am giving here in this way. These are division, laws of division. Now come to the next sum. Now in this sum, question number 12, 2 to the power 3 into 2 whole to the power 2. You know that inside the bracket they are into there, you have to find the product of these two numbers where the bases are same. And so power should be added. Here power 1 and here it is 3. So 3 plus 1 inside the bracket and outside it was 2. So keep it as it is. Now 3 plus 1, 4. 4 to the power 2. And 2 into 4 means 8. 4 to the 8. The laws I have written here, a to the power m, power of power. A to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. So 4 into 2. You can write in this way also. 2 to the power 4 into 2, that is 2 to the power 8, and this is your answer. I hope the sums are very easy for you. You need to practice it. Thank you, students.